Hello guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today our topic is how to make money with a website. First of all, like my video and subscribe my Electro Trader Insight channel. So let's start. How to make money with websites. So make money with ad networks such as Google AdSense and AdThrive Media Wines. The method work then you have high quality optimized content on the page or websites is need careful inclusion of keyword into the written text. So Google might determine what ads to serve to your sites. Matching the topic of your articles with the ads target is very important. The contextual ads must be addressed to those very people that are interested in your content, otherwise they won't click on the ads and no profit will follow. So important, first of all, Google AdSense is decent off for sites with less than 10k visitors, but once you have 10k sessions, 4 times as much as AdSense, if you can gather the traffic, guide to Google AdSense. So famous website monetization with AdSense, the average profitable AdSense monetization websites, estimated income requirements. And next we have number 2, monetize your website with affiliate marketing. It mainly functions as a system where you generate a sale, a product on another site. Every visitor you send to product website is monetized and you get a commission for every purchase run on the product website. Of course, to monetize your traffic this way, you have to join an affiliate program or what gives more opportunities and affiliate network. Choosing the right one may be pretty challenges, but if you want to pick the best affiliate network, we recommend you checking my lead. It's a platform of experienced affiliates that provide offers in several categories and in-house monetization tools such as Content Locker, looking system called HideLink, and more. So we have some steps. Number 1, guide the affiliate marketing. Check the source to see how you can monetize a website with affiliate marketing. Check this to see how Lucy List successfully got monetization with several affiliate programs. Read the case study and check this to learn how to build an Amazon affiliate store on WordPress. So famous website monetization with affiliate marketing, near the wallet.com, this is ybrock.com, and we have some steps. Number 3 in this video, number 3 we sell and ad space. First of all, content locker monetization. Your websites can also the done thanks for your content lockers. Content lockers allow you to make money on your website by blocking a particular chosen part of your site. Anything can be blocked, for example, or a rest of the article, video, certain premium content, or a simple file. It's great way to monetize your website. So if a user wants to access a blocked part of your website, they must first complete at least one task on the list on my lead. So number 3, sell and space. Instead of action showing third parties, you directly sell advertising space to media buyers. Therefore 100% of the advertising budget will go directly to you. No more bothering about traffic, visitor conversion. However, it may require in-personal meetings and negotiations that will, however, pay dividends in the long run. Guide to the sell space requirements, budget environments. And number 4, ask for donation and the contribution. To make it really work of your websites, blogs, you should consider not meaningless donation, not willing in the donation with other monetization method. People are more inclined to push the donate button if they don't perceive you are already making big money from your website blog. So you should also speak about the cause your constraint for readers to get convinced it's worth donation. Guide the exceptions donations. Check the source to see how exactly you can gain money from accepting donations. Visit this links to see more on best web practices guiding regarding donation. Next example, check the Patreon and its function system. Next we have number 5, get paid for every visitors with Repixel. So repixeling is a form of online reversing where non-competitive companies in the same industry target visitors to each other websites and apps. For example, if you own a hiking blog on an online store that sells and so a hiking app looking to acquire the downloads, and for the sites looking to add the books would likely be very interested in tag your visitors so that they can serve the Facebook ads or the later using platform control skills, no more spam. So number 6, we have use your site as a portfolio to get the project. This method is suitable for websites that show off your expertise in dealing with a certain subject. So the hire me section only perfects the presentation, giving the people the chance of benefit from the specialized paid services. So I hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel. Goodbye.